I joined Cloud Direct specifically to come in and set up service design and entry points into managed services. That's sort of effectively my background in more recent years. Prior to Cloud Direct, I worked for other MSPs of different sizes, and then prior to that, I was actually a customer who would have been responsible for in-house IT and operations. So I would have been the customer looking for suppliers. So I've sort of seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in terms of what works, what doesn't work when it comes to managed service supplier relationships. I can go and sit in front of a potential customer or an existing customer and really understand, because I can correlate and go, oh yeah, I remember that time when I had lots of business demand on me. I had a team where I needed to upskill them. I had capabilities that needed to be fulfilled that I just didn't have, and where MSPs would come into play. So I had that, having that knowledge and sitting in front of customers, I can absolutely understand requirements, capture them, and make sure that value can be delivered off the back of it through managed services. When you're responsible for IT in an organisation, you've got the headaches of keeping the lights on the existing environment, and that's 24/7, especially in the cloud world now. You've got a lot of demand from business, so you've got new employees joining the business and saying, oh, my last organisation had this technology, this capability, and notice that you don't have that, so you're sort of competing within your sector. I think that was a key one, and just generally keeping up with demand for an organisation. I didn't enjoy sort of lying awake at night and thinking, have I got everything covered in my environment? If you can hand that over to an organisation that sort of manage the day-to-day 24/7 for you, then it just gives you that peace of mind. But as long as they're delivering the right value, there's no point in having an MSP to do the same things and capabilities that you've got in-house. The key to an MSP relationship is making sure that what they bring to the table is sort of incumbent to what you've got currently and strengthens your existing capability. So I think that when it was right working with MSPs, it was when we came up with a model and way of working that gave me everything I needed to deliver to the business. Effectively, cloud is designed to be an enabler to the business, which is fantastic, but make sure it's got the right guardrails, the right governance, the right people and processes around it, and then you really stand an opportunity of delivering success back to the business, because the demand is high these days.